Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 31. Our learning goal for today says, I can put together to add and find the unknown to 9 and 10. That just means we're going to know some parts and we need to put them together to find the whole amount. Is it going to be 9? Is it going to be 10? I don't know. We'll have to use those good strategies when practicing to figure it out. So let's see. TJ read 6 books this morning. He read 3 books this afternoon. My goodness, he must love to read. How many books has he read? Okay, so it says TJ read 6 books this morning and then he read 3 books this afternoon. How are we going to solve this problem? Now what I do, as soon as I read a problem, I start thinking, what would I do to solve that? Is that what you're thinking? Oh, good. I want you to press pause. Tell someone sitting next to you, how would you go about solving this problem? Don't find the answer yet. Just what's your strategy you're planning on using? Okay, did you share your strategy? Okay, perfect. All right, let's talk about what we could do. So obviously the best part about math is that you can solve things in different ways. We want to really work hard to make sure that we're showing our good thinking, right? Now we've been drawing a lot of pictures lately, and I'm going to draw some pictures today. But you know what else? If you have any counters, if you have like those red and yellow ones you could flip over, or if you have some like little squares that you could move around, you can do that too. All right, so today I'm going to use some yellow and red counters in my drawings. So if you wanted to use those, press pause and go grab them. But if you would rather do some drawing, go get your dry erase board and a marker. Okay, so here we go. It says TJ read 6 books this morning. So I need to show those 6 books, right? Let's go ahead and show 6 by drawing. All right, or using your counters. I'm going to go ahead and use my 6 yellow counters for this one. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you notice on my drawing? Ah, yes, of course. I did a very nice job, thanks, of keeping them organized by using my 5 groups. Perfect, yes. Now what should I do? Should I keep using yellow counters or doing my yellow drawings? Nah, because I'm going to show a different part. So I like to do it in a different color. Or if I'm drawing, just not coloring it in. So then he read 6 books this morning. I got that. Then it says he read 3 books this afternoon. What should I do next? Yeah, do 3 more, but in a different color. Perfect. So I'm going to use my red. I'm going to flip over the tile so I see red, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Yes, I did keep it organized. Even though I didn't finish out that 5 group, I made sure that they all lined up so I could quickly see what was going on. All right, now we need to write a number sentence that matches our good picture. Is your brain already thinking, what could I do? Good. I want you to press pause, write down a number sentence that you think would show 6 books and 3 books being added together. You don't need to find the answer yet. Just show me what you'd start with. Okay, perfect. So I had 6 books, and then I got 3 more. So I'm going to do 6 plus 3 equals. Now we are looking for that unknown. We're just not sure what the answer is going to be yet. So what's that thing we do that we put around the unknown so we make sure we know what we're looking for? Perfect. Yes, we do our little box. Can you go ahead and put a box there for the unknown? Even if you've already figured out the answer, put that box around there because it's important to make sure we're highlighting in our good number sentence what we're looking for. Okay, so we had 6 and we added up 3. So what I like to do is I say the bigger number and then I count up the smaller number. All right, so I say 6 and then I count the smaller number. 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many books has TJ read? 9 books. Great job. Okay, erase your board. Let's try another one. All right, Yara had 4 circles and 6 squares. How many shapes did she have in all? All right, I want you to go ahead and press pause. I'm going to read it to you one more time, and then you try to figure out what your picture should look like. Okay, let's start there. All right, so Yara had 4 circles and 6 squares. Go ahead and draw a good picture of that, will you please, friend? Press pause while you do it, and then press play to check yourself. Okay, so Yara had 4 circles. I'm going to start there. So I'm going to go ahead and draw, thank you, 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you show your part of 4? Oh, good. You drew circles too? Awesome. Then it says, and 6 squares. Now, I could draw more circles and color them in, but I feel squarey today, so I'm going to draw squares. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. What do you notice about our good picture? Yes, put them into 5 groups. And look, I filled up 2 full 5 groups. All right, what kind of number sentence we should say where we're going to add the parts together? Can you go ahead and press pause, write a number sentence where we have the 4 circles being joined up in a group with the 6 squares, and then equaling an unknown with your box unknown. Don't find the unknown yet, just write it, set up your number sentence, okay? Press pause while you do that and press play to check yourself. Okay, so I had 4 plus 6 equals, and I'm going to put a little box around my unknowns. I need to figure it out, right? All right, how can we solve this problem? What could we do? Ooh, I like that someone said count starting with the bigger number, say the bigger number, and then add up the smaller number. It's okay that in my number sentence, I start with the bigger number if it's in a different spot besides in the first spot. That's okay. They're both in the number sentence. So I'm going to say 6 and then tap up the 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my unknown was 10. So how many shapes did she have in all? Yep, 10 shapes. I love how we're using all of our strategies that we've been using this whole time of decomposing and composing 10 in different ways. And now we're using it to connect to a story. You're doing such a fantastic job, friends, and I'm so proud of you. Our learning goal says I can put together to add and find the unknown to 9 and 10. And that's exactly what we practiced today. Remember, think about all the strategies that we've been using. Which one works best for you? Use that one, friend. All right, so here we go. This is what I'd like you to seesaw to me. It says, oh, sorry, I'm at school today and there's bells going off. It says, Allison picked 8 pink flowers and 1 yellow flower. How many flowers did she pick in all? I'm going to read it for you one more time. I want you to go ahead and draw a quick picture and then a number sentence. Make sure you box the unknown, okay? So I know how many she picked in all. Allison picked 8 pink flowers and 1 yellow flower. How many flowers did she pick in all? Good luck, friends.